Good morning, class. I hope you all are well and have a wonderful day. So, we'll start today's video. Uh, the chapter 4, that is matter, or we can say state of matter. We are having three content in it: state of matter, change of state, solute, solvent, and solution. So, we will study about the this state of matter, how three form changes in each other, converted into liquid and then again liquid to solid and liquid to gas, how it change. So we'll start now. Ice is a solid form of matter, water is a liquid form of water, and steam is a gaseous form of water. I hope this video is very useful to you. Solid and liquid, how it will change or convert in each other, like this. We are having lemon and lemonade means lemon juice. So if we pour lemon juice in different container, then the lemon juice will take its own shape, okay, because liquid is not having any own shape. But if we keep lemon in different container, it cannot take the shape of container, okay, and we cannot pour it, okay, we can keep it, so it stays as it is. Like we keep lemon, then it will be same like this. So what we learned from this, does not change its shape according to the shape of container. Solid, every solid, anything that has a fixed shape, size and cannot flow is called solid. That is the definition of solid. But if we can see liquid, anything that does not have fixed shape and can be poured easily and can flow as a liquid, so that is liquid. Now liquid and gases. See the boy, he is pouring the water on the floor, then that is flowing on the floor, that water is going downside of the floor and spreading. But by mistake, if you turn on the gas or you turn it on, then gas will come out from the burner and spread everywhere in the room. Same way, liquid, if we see liquid always flow downwards and sideways, but gas will flow in every direction, upward, downward and sideways. Gas spread all the sides. Gas will fill all available space. Same way, incense stick, that agarbatti, you can smell it even outside of the house also. Gas has no shape. In which container you fill the gas, it will take the shape of that container only, okay. So gas is also not having a proper shape or don't have a shape. We can say matter change from one state to another. How? We will see, like ice melts on heating and turns into water. When we keep the ice cube from the fridge, then it will turn into water. If we boil the water on heating, it will convert into steam, and when we cool the water, that steam water, then it will come again water, and further if we are cooling it, then it convert into ice. Same way we can see the candle. When you lit it, then wax will melt because the candle is made of wax. Yes, and wax is a solid in its natural state. Candle just kept outside will not melt unless it light it. Same way the ice cream, if you are keeping outside, so it will melt. It's made from milk, and the natural state of ice cream is milk, and this is, we can say, this is frozen milk. So ice cream melt into milk. Ice cream will never evaporate, but it will melt and convert it into liquid. So matter normally does not change its state on its own unless some external pressure or force is applied or its temperature is changed. Thank you.